Hello there, my dear clients. I will fix or create a fresh Facebook Business Manager and Ads account. Is your Facebook Business Manager account was restricted? I am here to help you to fix advertise on Facebook ads again. I'll fix all your issues. Create a completely new Facebook Business Manager ad account and set up all the action needed for your business. What I do for you: fix your ads account issue. Create a new Business Manager account on the old Facebook account. Adding all your business information. Add business page. Connect Instagram account. Create and add old ads account. Create ads campaigns professionally. Manage and optimize ads. What I need from you: your business details, your business mail, your business phone number, website name. Why am I the best? Friendly communication. 24-hour 7 days, customer service. High quality service. If you've any queries, don't hesitate to contact me.